Now let us discuss another important method in our Vedic maths for the divisions, that is Paravarthya method. Okay, in Paravarthya method, you may think one thing. Okay, you may observe one thing. The divisions, okay, which are by the divisors which are closer to 100, especially which are below the 100 or below the 1000 or below 10,000, okay, which are below the base, we can use the Nicolum method. But for the numbers which are just above the base, but for the divisors which are just above the base, we can go for the Paravarthya method. Now let us see how. For example, I want to divide 1345 by 112, that is 112. Now do one thing, just write down 112 like this. Okay, steps big bar 1 3 4 5. Now you just put a bar like this under the divisor. Okay, leaving the leftmost digit. What is the leftmost digit here? 1, that is 100th place. Okay, leaving the leftmost digit. Now write the remaining digits as it is, but with the opposite signs, that is negative. You need to transpose and apply. Transpose. Paravarthya means what? Transpose. Okay, so leaving the leftmost digit, the remaining numbers, the remaining digits, you need to drop it as it is, but with the opposite signs. Here it is plus, right? So it is, I am putting as minus. So minus 1, minus 2. Now what you need to do? Just see here. First, simply drop the first digit as it is. That is 1. I am dropping the first digit as it is. Now 1, this first digit should be multiplied with the negative complements. Whatever we wrote here, with these numbers, 1 into minus 1 minus 2. So right from the second column, 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Okay, now solve the second column as it is. So 3 minus 1, how much? 2. So right here 2. After writing 2, again multiply the second digit, the quotient figure digit, second quotient figure with the complements again, negative complements. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 1, but in the third row you need to write. You have to start in the next row and also at the same time from the third column. This is the first column, second column. Now you have to start from the third column. Okay, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, like that. First, drop the first digit as it is. So 1. Now, after dropping the first digit, multiply the first digit with the complements. So 1 into minus 1 minus 2. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Now, this is the second row. Now, the next step will be in the third row. After that, fourth row. Like that it will go. So first, in the second step, solve the second column only. This is the second column. Solve the second column only. 3 minus 1, 2. Now in the after you will get one figure, right? 3 minus 1, 2. Multiply that figure with the negative complements again. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 into minus, but you need to put those numbers in the third column. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Okay, starting with the third row, third column and third row. You need to start. So now we can stop here. Why? Because the last digit of the dividend also covered. Now you solve the remaining. So 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. What is 5 minus 4? 1. So finally we got this number 1201. But in this one, okay, which are the quotient digits and which are the remainder digits, we have to find out. In this one, to get the quotient digits, okay, to get the quotient digits, you just do one thing. To get the quotient digits, how many number of take the difference of the number of digits in the dividend. Take the difference of number of digits in the dividend as well as number of digits in the divisor. Here in the dividend we have 4 digits. Here in the divisor we have 3 digits. Okay, what is the difference between 4 and 3? It is 1. To this result add 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the quotient figure will have 2 digits from the left. 2 digits from the left. That means the remainder, okay, quotient will be 12 and remainder will be how much? 0, 1. Once again, I am repeating this one. So to get the number of digits, for the quotient as well as remainder, what you need to do? Simply take the difference of number of digits in the dividend as well as number of digits in the divisor. 4 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, 4 minus 3 plus 1. How much? 1 plus 1, 2. So finally there are number of 2 digits for the quotient is 2. So from the left side, the left 2 digits will be our quotient and the right side 2 digits will be our remainder. Now let us discuss the next example. 1357 divided by 113. So write down 1357. Okay, so now 113. Now what you need to write here, first of all, in 113 leave the leftmost digit and write the negative numbers transpose of the remaining digits, that is minus 1, minus 3. Leave the leftmost. Okay, now so just drop the first digit as it is. So dropping the first digit, that is 1 as it is. Okay, I am writing here 1. Now multiply this 1 with the negative complements. 1 into minus 1, minus 3. Start in the second column, second row. This is the first row, this is the first column. So okay, after dropping the first digit, I am multiplying with the negative complements. Okay, putting the answers in the second row and starting from the second column. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Okay, now solve only the second column, so that in the next step you will start with third row and third column. Now what is 3 minus 1? 2. What is 3 minus 1? 2. Now 2 should be multiplied with the negative complements. 2 into minus 1 and 2 into minus 3. But you have to start in the third row, third column. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Now you can stop. Why? Because even the last digit of the dividend is also covered. Now solve this one. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. So in the same way, how to find out the number of digits of the quotient? To get the number of digits of the quotient, we have to follow one rule. What is that rule? Take the difference of the number of digits in the dividend and the number of digits in the divisor. In the number of digits in the dividend is how many? 4. And the number of digits in the divisor is 3. 4 minus 3 plus 1. So 4 minus 3 plus 1, it's 2. So again the quotient figure is the left 2 digits, that is 12, and the remainder is 0, 1. Understand? Now let us go for the another example, that is third example. So 2587 division by 12. You do one thing, you just try this one. Take a pass, you just try this one. Okay, and after the solving the problem, you can check with the answer. Now let us see. So 112 division by 2587. So first what you need to do, right? Take the negative complements of relieving the leftmost digit, take the negative complements of the remaining digits. So first drop the first digit 2. Now first digit into complements. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. You have to start from second row, second column. Now in the next step, third row, third column, like that. Now solve this only the second column. 5 minus 2, 3. Now this digit should be multiplied with the negative complements starting with the third row, third column. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. So now solve the remaining. Okay, now you have to stop. Why? Because even the last digit of the dividend is also covered. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. As we already discussed, how we can get the number of digits in the quotient part, starting from the left. So to get the number of digits in the quotient part, take the difference of number of digits in the quotient as take the difference of number of digits in the dividend and the number of digits in the divisor plus 1. Once again I repeat, to get the number of digits from the left of the quotient figure, what you need to do, take the difference of the number of digits in the dividend plus take the difference of the number of digits in the dividend and number of digits in the divisor. Suppose here number of digits in the dividend is 4, number of digits in the divisor is 3. So 4 minus 3 plus 1. So how much? 2. So again 2. So the left 2 digits will be our quotient, that is 23. Okay, and the remaining part will be our remainder, that is 11. Now let us see one other big example. Okay, now let us see some more bigger examples in Paravarthya method. First, 13,799 divided by 113. First, what you need to do, write down the divisor, that is 130. Okay, 137. Then the dividend figures 13799. Now what is the next step? Leaving the leftmost digit, that is hundreds place, leaving the leftmost digit in the divisor, write down the negative complement. For the remaining digits, write down as it is but with the negative signs, that is transpose. Okay, after this one, what is the next step? Drop the first digit as it is. I am dropping the first digit as it is, that is 1. After dropping 1, okay, the digits should be multiplied with the negative complements, that is 1 into minus 1. See the next step. Okay, first column is solved and first row is solved. Now you have to go for second row, second column. Now you have to start with second row and second column. Okay, now 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Now solve the second row. Okay, now solve the second column, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 2 should be multiplied with the negative complements and then start with the third row, third column. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Done. Now solve the third column also. 7 minus 5, that is minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, now the third figure should be multiplied with the complements again. 2 into minus 1, but you need to start with the fourth column. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Now you can stop. Why? Because even the last digit of the dividend is also covered. Now solve the remaining values. So how much? 9 minus 6 plus 2, 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 finally last column, 9 minus 6 is 3. Now what is our quotient figure? You tell me. As we already discussed, the number of digits in the quotient will be given, okay, the number of digits in the quotient will be given by the difference of the number of digits of dividend as well as divisor. So what are the number of digits in the dividend? Number of digits in the dividend is 5. And what is the number of digits in the divisor? 3. So 5 minus 3, how much? 2 plus 1. 5 minus 3, 2 plus 1. That means how much? 5 minus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. That means the quotient figure, here we have the 3 digits from the left, and the remaining part will be our remainder. So what is our quotient? Our quotient is 122 and 13 is our remainder. Like that we have to solve. Now let us see the next one. Now let us see the next example. So write down the divisor as it is. Next, take the dividend 258378. Now what is the next step? Leaving the leftmost place, leaving the leftmost digit, write the negative numbers of all the remaining digits down, that is transpose. Write the remaining digits as it is first and putting with the minus symbols. 0 anyway, it doesn't have any minus or plus. Okay, now see here, what is the first step? Drop the first digit as it is, so that first row and first column will be finished. 2. Now the first digit should be multiplied with the negative complements here. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4, starting with the second row, second column, second row, second column. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Done. Now solve only the second column, that is 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, now the second digit of the quotient figure should be multiplied with the negative complements again, but starting with the third row, third column. 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Done. Now solve the third column. 8 minus 8, 0. Now 0 should be multiplied with again the complements, but no need. Why? Because you need to remember one thing here. Since the last digit is also covered in the dividend, you need to stop there only. Now solve the remaining everything. Solve the remaining columns. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. So we have got these digits. Now how to find out which is our quotient? Quotient will start from left anyway. And how many digits will be in our quotient? Take the difference of number of digits in the dividend and the number of digits in the divisor plus 1 will give the number of digits of quotient from left. Number of digits of dividend will be 6. Number of digits of divisor will be 5. 6 minus 5, 1 plus 1, 2. That means there are two number of digits from the left for our quotient, and the remaining will be our remainder. Okay, so like that. So take a pass now. Take a pass and you do the next problem. After doing the problem, cross check with my answer. Done. Let us see. Say, write down 13103 289,487. So first, leaving the leftmost digit, write the remaining numbers as it is but with negative signs. Anyway, 0 will not have any sign. So what is the first step? Drop the first digit as it is, so that I am solved with first row, first column. Okay. Now 2 into, every digit should be multiplied with the first figure. 2 into minus 3, minus 6, starting with second column, second row. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Now solve the second row, second column. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now 2 should, again the second figure of the quotient digit, that is 2, should be multiplied with the negative complements. 2 into minus 3, starting with the third this time, third column. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Now all the digits are covered in the dividend. Now you can stop and solve the remaining columns. So what is 9? Okay, 2, 6, 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. And finally 7 minus 6 is 1. Now you tell me how many number of digits will get in the quotient part. Start from the left side. How many digits? So 6 minus 5, 1 plus 1, 2. So the leftmost 2 digits will be our quotient and the remaining will be our remainder. So like that we can solve the divisions of the bigger dividends even with the bigger divisors which are just above the base. The numbers which are just above the base. So it is known as Paravarthya Yojayet. One more important point. How we will get the number of digits in the quotient part from the left means take the difference of number of digits in the dividend and number of digits in the divisor plus 1 will give the number of digits of the quotient starting from the left. So that's how we can easily solve the division problems which are having the divisors just above the base with the help of Paravarthya method. Whereas if the divisors are below the base, we have to go for Nikhilam method. Now next we will see the application of general technique, how to solve any number by any number. Done.